Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will do questions related to simultaneous equations from checkpoint syllabus. So I'm taking some questions from past paper. We'll take some more questions if needed. So before we start, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you have not done so, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much guys for your support. God bless you. So let's start. So the first question that I have here: solve the simultaneous equation using an algebraic method. So that means using calculations, right? So these are two equations given to us. You must show how you worked out your answer. So these are a bit long questions as compared to the other questions that you guys are doing. So you need to show step by step working and you need to be careful. So let's start. Let me show you. If you see, first of all, you need to do the analysis of the given equations. So our purpose is to make the coefficients same. Solving simultaneous equations means you need value of x and y. So one of the coefficient should be same to eliminate one of the coefficient, one of the variable, right? So here we have 3x, here we have the coefficient of x is 3, here coefficient of x is 1. So we can either make coefficient of x same or you can make coefficient of y same. So let me make coefficient of x same, right? So this is first equation. So let me rewrite the equation. So this equation, if you multiply here by 3, this entire equation. So if you multiply by any number to the equation, so that means that number will be multiplied throughout the equation, right? So let's rewrite this one. So this will become 3x because we are multiplying by 3 plus 3 times 2, it is 6y equals to 13 times 3, it is 39, right? So first equation. Then second, write it as it is like this. Now what next? After this, you see the coefficient, this is same. So to eliminate this, so that means you need to subtract this full equation out of this. So then we are subtracting. So when you subtract these two equations, the lower sign will be changed. Change the sign. This means if there is no sign, that means there is plus, right? So minus, minus, and this is also plus, this will be minus. So these are the signs for the lower equation now, right? So now 3x minus 3x is 0. So we can cancel this. Now 6y minus y. So this is 6y minus y, which is 5y. So this will be 5y equals to 39 minus 24. So 15. So this is 15, right? So we have 5y equals to 15. Now divide by 5, divide by 5. So what do you have now? You have y equals to 3. So we have eliminated coefficient of x, right? And we have y here. So now you can choose any of these equations. So we got y as 3. Now we are looking for value of x. So you can choose any of the equation. Let's say I'm taking the first equation. So from equation 1, what do you have? You have x plus 2y equals to 13. So now y is 3. So just replace y by 3. So done. So x plus 3 times 2, 6 equals to 13. So x is going to be 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. So x is going to be 7. Got it? So be careful while doing the calculations. So you may make mistakes. So go slowly and practice questions. Then you will be able to do it very nicely, right? I have another question here. Solve the simultaneous equation 7x plus y equals to 50 and 4x plus y equals to 23. Now, if you look carefully, already we have coefficient of y same. So we have 7x plus y equals to 50. I'm just rewriting. 4x plus y equals to 23, right? Now to eliminate this we need to subtract. Remember what I told you, when you subtract, change the signs of the lower equation. This is plus sign here, so this will become minus, and this is also plus, it became minus. Now 7x minus 4x is 3x, y minus y is 0, it's gone. So 50 minus 23, it's 27. So now divide by 3, divide by 3. So x is 9, right? So value of x we got as 9. Now we are looking for value of y. So choose one, equation 1. You can choose any. You can choose one, you can choose second equation, but your answer will be the same. 7x plus y equals to 50, and x is now 9. So replacing x by 9, plus y equals to 50. So y is going to be 50 minus 9 times 7 is 63. So 63 minus 50, it is 13, but negative, because the 63 is greater and it has negative sign. So minus 13 is answer for this one. Got it? This is 2 marks question. You see, as number of marks is decreased, so your step was 1 less, because you are already given the coefficient as same. Moving to next question, we have here, solve these simultaneous equations. 5x plus 2y equals to 26, 10x minus y equals to 37. Now you have bigger numbers here, so be careful with the calculations. Now if we look around here, so here if you this is 2y and this is y, so but it's easier to make the coefficient same here, so I'm going to multiply this by 2, right? So rewriting the equations, 5x plus 2y equals to 26. What is our purpose? To multiply this by 2. So let's see, so 10 times 2, it will be 20x. Then minus sign is there, 2 times y is 2y. Now 37 times 2, 74. Okay, so now you see this coefficient is same. Now coefficient is same, but look into the signs. This is positive and this is negative. So in the previous 2 questions we subtracted, but if we will subtract, this sign will change and this will become 4y. So instead we are going to add now, because signs are different here. So when you add, what will this become? Now we are not changing sign in addition, right? So 5x plus 20, it is 25x. 2y, 2y, opposite sign, 0. So now add this, 100. So x is 100 over 25, which is 4. So value of x we got as, 4. Now choose any of the equations. I'll take equation 1. So let's say this is 1. So 5x plus 2y equals to 26. Now x is 4. So this is 20 plus 2y equals to 26. 2y equals to 26 minus 20. Shifting 20 to the side. 6 2y over 3 over 2. So this is going to be 3. Got it? So this is how you can simplify simultaneous equations by algebraic method. This is called algebraic method, and the method that I'm using, it is like making the coefficients same, or you can say eliminating the variables. Here is another question. I have just taken one example here. 3x plus 4y equals to 14. 5x plus 2y equals to 21. Now you see all the variables, the coefficients of x and y are different. So we can choose any one to make the same. So I feel this is easier. We have 2. Multiplying by 2, you can make it 4. Right? So multiply this equation by 2 and rewrite everything here. So this is 3x plus 4y equals to 14. Second equation is 5x. Remember to multiply 2 to everything. 5 times 2 it is 10. Then plus 2 times 2 is 4y equals to 42. Multiplying this one. Now signs coefficients are same, 4y 4y, but to eliminate we need to subtract it so that we can change the signs and eliminate. Now 3x minus 10x, it is minus 7x. This and this is 0. So 42 minus 14, 28, but negative because 42 is greater and it has negative sign. So x is going to be negative 28 over negative 7, negative and negative sign gone. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So value of x is 4, right? Now you can take any equation as I told you. Once you got one variable, we can substitute to get the value of the second one. So from 1 we have 3x plus 4y equals to 14. Then x is 4, so 3 times 4 plus 4y equals to 14. So 4y, this is 12 plus 4y equals to 14, and 4y equals to 14 minus 12. So it is 2 and y is 2 over 4. So 1 over 2 or 0.5. So value of y is 0.5. Right? So that's how you can complete these simultaneous equations to solve for x and y. Here is another question. Sometime, in the question they specify you the method solve by substitution. The previous question that we did, they were by elimination, that is called elimination method. Now this is solving simultaneous equation by substitution. So that means we have to get value of one variable from one equation and then you substitute in the other one. So here we have, this is first equation, this is second equation. So I will prefer to have equation 2 first. From 2, what do we have? We have here y equals to 24. If I shift 4 to other side, it will become 4x, right? Now we can substitute this value in equation 1, right? So from 1 what we have? 3x minus 2y. Y is now this 24 minus 4x equals to 29, right? So this is 3x minus, this is 48, multiply inside, minus minus plus, 4 times 2 8x equals to 29. 11x, 29 plus 48, 77. So divide by 11, divide by 11. So from here we got value of x as 7, right? So now you can take you can take this one. So let's say this is third equation. So from 3, y is equal to 24 minus 4x. So that means 24 minus 4 times 7. So 24 minus this is 28, negative 4. So y is negative 4. So this is how you can use substitution method to find out the value of the equations, value of the variables of the equations, right? So here is another question. I am giving you as an example, x minus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 6. This you can solve by substitution method, right? So try this on your own so that you can practice. I hope you guys understood everything. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. God bless you guys.